Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang check engine light flickers issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A flickering or intermittently flashing check engine light in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as the light turning on and off while driving, flashing briefly under acceleration, or appearing during certain operating conditions and then disappearing. Verified owner reports and service information show that intermittent check engine light behavior has been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine management systems, sensor inputs, and operating conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause involves intermittent engine misfire detection. Under certain loads or speeds, the engine control system may detect misfire events that trigger the light briefly, especially if the condition does not persist long enough to store a permanent fault. Another confirmed cause relates to sensor signal irregularities. Sensors that monitor airflow, oxygen levels, crankshaft position, or engine temperature may intermittently send out-of-range data due to aging, contamination, or connection issues, causing the warning light to flicker. Loose or degraded electrical connections are also documented factors. Wiring connectors that momentarily lose contact due to vibration or heat can interrupt sensor communication and trigger temporary warning light activity. Fuel system irregularities have also been reported. Inconsistent fuel delivery or pressure fluctuations may cause short-term combustion issues that the engine control module detects as a fault and then clears if conditions normalize. Engine control module monitoring behavior is another verified consideration. The system continuously evaluates data and may illuminate the light briefly when values approach threshold limits without storing a long-term fault code. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include low battery voltage during startup, recent battery disconnection, or software-related monitoring behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning for stored or pending diagnostic trouble codes, inspecting wiring and connectors, checking ignition and fuel system components, and monitoring live data to identify intermittent faults. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang flickering check engine light issues are related to intermittent sensor or ignition concerns rather than immediate engine damage. However, experiences vary by model year, engine configuration, and driving conditions. In conclusion, a flickering check engine light in the Ford Mustang is typically linked to intermittent misfires, sensor signal inconsistencies, wiring interruptions, fuel delivery irregularities, or engine monitoring behavior. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.